Hello class 10. So let's start our exercise 3.3. Okay. I am taking the first question. Check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. We have to check whether these form a quadratic equation or not. Solve this one. X into x is x square. X into 1 will be x plus a. Now, if you look at this, x plus 2 and x minus 2, what is the form? Form is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b form, and this is equals to a square minus b square. So this is the identity we are using here. So what will be the result directly? Just write x square minus of 2 square. Solve it again. This will be x square plus x plus 8. I have written same thing. Here this will be 4. Okay. Now ये पूरी term, the whole term, transpose it this side, in the left side. This x square will become minus of x square. This minus of 4 will become plus of 4, and here this there will be 0. ये पूरी टर्म इस तरफ आ गई, बच गया क्या यहाँ पे 0. So write 0 here. Don't leave it blank. यहाँ पे की जगह खाली, ऐसे खाली छोड़ मत देना. यहाँ 0 लिखना, ठीक है? Now x and x square minus x square will become equals to 0. So this term is 0. Only remaining is this x. 8 plus 4 is 12 equals to 0. In this equation, there is no term of x square. x square की कोई term है क्या? No. Therefore, what you will write? Therefore, not a quadratic equation. जहां पे x स्क्वायर की टर्म ही नहीं है, तो ये quadratic equation नहीं होगा. Okay, one question is solved. Let's see the other one. If you see this x plus 2 whole cube, what is coming? Whole cube. What will be the identity we will use? X a plus b whole cube is equals to, what is a plus b whole cube? A plus b equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the identity. Open it according to identity. So this will be, what is a here? X cube plus 2 cube, then 3 into x square into 2, this b 2, then 3 into again x into 2 square, and what is in the equal side? This is all equals to x cube minus 4. Write x cube here. Then ये सोल्व हो गया. उसके बाद what is 2 cube? 2 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 8. 8 plus of 8. Then 3 into 2 is 6x square plus 3 into 4. This will be 2 2s are 4. 12. 3 4s are 12x. And this is equals to x cube minus 4. Transpose this x cube minus 4 in the left side. So we get x cube minus this plus x cube will become negative of x cube, and write 6x square first, then 12x, and then write plus 8 and at the last minus 4 will become plus of 4. Minus 4 will become plus of 4 and there will be 0. This will become equals to 0. Same term माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है, 0 हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या? व्हाट विल बी द रिमेनिंग? 8 plus 4 is 12. In the next you can take out 6 common in, so this can be written as move this 6 there and the final equation will be in this there is this term. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, we have solved the question first. So students, let's take the question number 2. In this question, if you see, you have to solve the equations by factorization method. So what is the sum of two numbers which we will suppose, and what is the product of two numbers which will help us to find the zeros here? This will be minus of 5, the sum will be minus of 5 and product will be 2 into 3 equals to 6. This 6 can be written as 6 into 1. ओके, ये जो 6 है वो इस तरह से लिखा जा सकता है, और this can be also written as minus of 2 into minus of 3, right? आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. Why I am writing this? You will understand. Because we need minus of 5, minus 2 and minus 3 is equals to minus of 5. So we will split this as minus 2x and minus 3x, minus 2x and minus 3x, and this will be equals to 0. प्रोडक्ट 2 into 3 कैसा आया? ये 3 और ये 2 को इंटू किया है, ठीक है? Now what will be the next step? What is common here? 2x is common. What you get inside? X minus 1. What is common here? Minus of 3 is common. We get this minus 3. You get minus 1 inside and this is equals to 0. 2x minus 3, x minus 1. यहाँ से क्या है? 2x minus 3 is one factor, x minus 1 is the other factor, and this is equals to 0. You can write 2x minus 3 as equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. पहले इसको 0 लिया, इसको 0 लिया. अब x will be this minus 3 transpose there will be plus 3 and this 2 divided will become x equals to 3 by 2. Here x will be equals to 1. Minus 1 transpose there will become plus of 1. So these are the two solutions of this equation.